Looney Farm Guy here, and we have an update to the supermarket productions by Let's Be Having Moo on Farming Simulator 25. And before I go any further, I would highly recommend not to update your mod if you have this, for reasons I will explain shortly. Now, they had some pretty nice updates to this. However, there is one big problem that you might, well, if you avoid it, you could still, even if you have updated it and you're on console, I'll show you what to avoid until we can see the next update. So the situation here is we have update changelog 1200, and I'll read out what actually the update is because there's quite a bit. And I will post the update, or I'll list the update in the video description here. However, so Highlands Fishing expansion version has been added, so there's extra. I don't have that one. As a matter of fact, I don't have any mods installed whatsoever except for this particular mod because of the problems. I want to eliminate all possibility of a mod conflict, and I have no other mods. I have only the base game map on here on Zelenka and this mod. So I've already notified the modder, and we'll see if we can sort it out. However, moving on, remove the onions from the greenhouse because there's onions in the Highlands Fishing expansion. Added a super mushroom greenhouse, which we have right in front of us. So the build menu is fine as far as I can tell. We have a ton of products in this. I do have a full review of this. This is just dealing with the update. So if you want a full review of this mod, just search the mod name, and I'll have a video for it. Okay, moving on. Added so pallets added from the mod can be auto-loaded onto a custom trailer included in this pack, but the base game pallets would need another auto-loading pallet mod. Now, this is where the problem is. If we go in here, we have 3 auto-load trailers, which are fantastic that these were added. However, I'm not going to go in and click on these because that's where the problem is. Once you go and click on this, I'm on a PS5 console, basically the game freezes. So I might show that at the end, but right now I'm not going to do that because, well, it'll freeze my game and I'll have to restart everything. Now it doesn't crash, it just freezes the game. So we can look at the MKS32, and this one holds a whole bunch of stuff. Now it's, I can't really show a lot to do with this because I don't have any other mods to really test, but we can go in here. And so here we go. This is the trailer. This seems to be okay. We can change the color and the rim color. And we can back out of here, but I'm not going to go into those yet because, well, as I said, there is a problem. Now here is the trailer, and this is the, I believe this is the, which factory is this? This is the Creamery factory. The Creamery factory can make a whole bunch of different stuff. Sour cream, fresh pasta, goat cheese. So some new products here, and which is interesting, this trailer will take the fresh pasta, chocolate, cream cheese, goat cheese, buffalo mozzarella, butter, cheese, mayonnaise, sour cream, and so forth. So that's kind of cool. Sadly, I can't show you the auto-load pallets or how that works. Yeah, because my game will freeze. So this is the mushroom factory. So that's under greenhouses. So that's been added. The super mushroom greenhouse. We'll take a look at that in a second. Again, I don't have anything to test it with. All the mods, I didn't install any of the mods. We can block the spawn point, so that's nice. That's an added feature to all the greenhouses. Now let's take a look at the recipes. Manure would go in here. Fertilizer, I believe, here. Where is the... Can we go inside here? There it is. Here's a production point. So we have enoki pig manure, oyster mushroom, and pig manure. So we have a couple of different recipes. So water pig manure, and seeds. on water and water pig manure and seeds. So 1,344 cycles. So accelerated, or let's say normal or accelerated. Very nice. Fertilizer now the same cycles as pig manure. Increased some production rates and storage. Reduced clipping distance for pallet blocker and added an icon. All right, and finally, dry, liquid, and creamery. So we have the creamery factory here. Can now be loaded into a custom trailer, which I just showed you, the custom trailer over there. Increase some production rates, pallet blocker added, and so that is, here is our, again, this is the creamery, right? Pallets, or the pallets. Here, pallet, pallet, pallet. And there we go. Pallet spawn there. So, reduce the clipping distance for pallet blocker. We read that. Move the pallet spawn at the creamery. Oh, so it's over here now. I don't remember where it was before. And the loading area added. So loading as in loading bulk goods. As you've seen, if you don't want pallets, you can come here with the, as we just showed, with the tank and do that. So, how do you avoid freezing your game? Again, when you're going into here, and I believe, where is it? Flatbed trailers? Yeah. So here they are under flatbed trailers. No problem going here, looking at it like this. So now is the time where I'm going to go inside here. And there, that's what happens. And if I don't do anything now, if you accidentally do that, you can back out. But it's now we are lagging horribly, and I don't think there's anything that's going to yeah, now we're kind of, yeah, everything's just like lagging like super slowly. Oh, I can't even get out. There we go. Yes, so turn around. So yeah, if you have already updated, just don't go into there and look at those trailers, please. And if you haven't updated yet, don't update it. I'm sure there's going to be a fix for this, or he's going to be looking into this right away. But there you have it. That's the update. So don't update it. But if you have, just don't look at those things. Supermarket Productions by Let's Be Having Moo. He knows about it. And hopefully there'll be a fix soon. So thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.